Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Every time when I cook, I always think about efficiency. How could I simplify the process but still maintain the desired outcome? Like most people, for many years, I consider the wok's main function is for stir-fry and to make Chinese food. When my friend's daughter moved to her first apartment, she only bought a wok to cook for herself and her roommate. She neither has the money nor the space in her kitchen to own a conventional cooking set that with different sizes of pots and pans. Necessity is the mother of invention, as the saying goes. She became extremely good to use her wok for all her cooking tasks. In this video, I'm going to show you one cooking task that the wok is excellent, but very few people know about it. For many years, when I make spaghetti, I will use a 8-quart stock pot to boil it, and this is the largest one that I have in my kitchen. Despite its size, I'm limited to boil not too much more than 1 pound of spaghetti. Otherwise, they clump together. I found the pot is too deep to effectively to stir the pasta, and quite often they stuck to the bottom and get burned. Out of frustration, I start to make pasta noodles in my 14-inch Immuser light cast iron wok. This turned out to be a simpler and much effective solution than making it in the stock pot. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pasta noodles in my large 14-inch cast iron wok. The cast iron wok might look huge, but it actually does not take up a lot of water. Here is shown with 4 quarts of water in it. Next to it is my 8-quart stock pot. It also has 4 quarts of water in it, but in comparison to the wok, it looks like it has far less water. To get the water to boil a little bit faster, I put a cover on top of the wok. I have made 2 pounds of spaghetti noodles in a stock pot, but that is the maximum it can take, and it is a struggle. This is a lot of noodles in the stock pot, and it is not fitting properly in it. Just by looking at the wok, you can already tell that this is going to work better because the noodle can fit lengthwise across the top of the wok. The spaghetti noodles are going to cook much better because there's going to be more room between the strands of noodles. When I cook in the stock pot, the noodles always stuck together because there's not enough room between them. When they stick together like this, they are not going to be cooked evenly. In the wok, I use a pair of tongs to turn them over, preventing them from stick to the bottom and get burned. When boiling the noodle in the stock pot, they often boil over and make a mess. The large opening of the wok greatly reduces the chance from happening. To stop the noodles from cooking further, I transfer them into a colander that is set in a bowl of cold water. Cooking 2 pounds of spaghetti in the wok could not be simpler, and it is enough for 8 people. Of course, you could make less depending on your need. Pasta noodles has great shelf life. It could last somewhere between 7 to 10 days. Adding a small amount of olive oil could even further extend their shelf life. When you're ready to use them, a half minute in the microwave oven will get them ready. And of course, you can use the wok to make all different kinds of noodles. And I have to use the wok to make rice noodles, sweet potato noodles, and egg noodles. Boiling water in the cast iron wok, however, remove its seasoning, and boiling spaghetti noodles falls into this category. As shown here, the fried egg are stuck to the bottom of the wok. Don't worry, my spot seasoning method will come to the rescue. After spot season the wok, it is non-stick again. My previous video discussed how cooking different types of foods affect the seasoning of a wok. Please take a look at the video on how to manage a wok. This video shows you how to use a wok other than stir fry, and there are many other examples that I will show you in future videos. This example demonstrates that when you get a wok, make sure you get a 14-inch wok to have maximum flexibility. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to receive notification of my future video postings. See you next time.